फेसर डायग्राम हम ड्रॉ करते हैं। फेसर डायग्राम फॉर प्योर कैपेसिटर एसी सर्किट। फेसर डायग्राम ड्रॉ करेंगे और फेसर डायग्राम से पहले टेबल ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं। फर्स्ट रो टाइम, सेकंड रो क्या था, अप्लाइड ईएमएफ E इक्वल्स ई नॉट साइन ओमेगा टी, या इसे हम लिख सकते हैं ई नॉट साइन 2 पाई बाय कैपिटल टी इंटू स्मॉल टी। थर्ड रो बनानी है इंस्टेंटेनियस करंट I इक्वल्स आई नॉट साइन ओमेगा टी, और इसे लिख सकते हैं आप आई नॉट साइन 2 पाई बाय कैपिटल टी इंटू स्मॉल टी। टाइम ड्यूरेशन क्या क्या दिया था हमने, टाइम ड्यूरेशन, टाइम इंस्टेंट नॉट टाइम ड्यूरेशन, 0, T/4, T/2, 3T/4 and then T. EMF the same, 0, E naught 0, minus E naught 0. इसमें तो कोई चेंज हुआ ही नहीं। I naught for pure capacitor, sorry, instantaneous for pure capacitor, sin omega t plus pi by 2 for pure capacitor, here plus pi by 2 for pure capacitor. So substitute time 0 in this equation. In this equation, time 0, 2 pi by capital T into T, it becomes 0. What is left with? I naught sine pi by 2. So what is the value of sine pi by 2? It is 1 plus 1. So the current is I naught. Now substitute T by 4, capital T by 4 here. So it will be T by pi by 2 plus pi by 2 means sine pi, sine unit T, value is 0. Substitute T by 2. So it will be pi plus pi by 2, 3 pi by 4. 3 sine 3 pi by 4 is minus, oh sorry, 3 pi by 2. Sine 3 pi by 2 is minus 1. So it is minus I naught. Then substitute 3 t by 4. It will be what? 3t by 4. Right. Sin 2 pi means sin 360 degree. तो कितना आ जाएगा फिर से 0. Substitute capital T cancel. 2 pi plus pi by 2, 2.5 pi, 5 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2. So actually it is sin 2 pi plus pi by 2, sin 360 plus theta, sin theta, sin pi by 2. तो sin pi by 2 की वैल्यू फिर से 1. So it becomes I naught. The voltage and the current are not in phase. When the voltage is 0, current is not 0. The voltage and the current are not in same phase. Current leads the voltage by a phase angle pi by 2. और यहाँ आपको क्लियर है current is leading. When the voltage is 0, current is maximum. When the voltage become maximum, the current reduces from its maximum to 0 value. From its maximum to 0 value. Similarly, the current and the voltage are out of phase by an angle pi by 2. अब इसको हमने वही कल जैसे ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन पर लेना है। अगर सारे के सारे आपके रिप्रेजेंटेशन सही हैं, बने हुए, ये बहुत प्यारा डायग्राम बनाया हुआ रितिका ने, बहुत ही बढ़िया डायग्राम बनाया हुआ है ये सारा प्रॉपर डायग्राम बने हुए हैं। और यहाँ आप देखिए कि ऑलमोस्ट राइट एंगल यहाँ बन गया अपने आप। करंट लीड्स द वोल्टेज बाय अ फेस एंगल ऑफ π/2। ऑलमोस्ट ये थोड़ा सा 90 से थोड़ा सा ज्यादा है, लेकिन आ, आप प्रॉपरली डायग्राम बनाएंगे तो 90 बन जाएगा। वोल्टेज का डायग्राम तो वही बनाना है, वोल्टेज तो वैसे ही वेरी करना है जैसे हमने पीछे रजिस्टर में किया था। वोल्टेज में तो कहीं कोई चेंज है ही नहीं। तो पहले हम वोल्टेज ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं और फिर उसके बाद करंट ड्रॉ कर लेंगे। जीरो, t/4, t/2, 3t/4 and t. On x-axis, most of the case we have to take time. Correct. Now voltage. These are the peak values of EMF, voltage, not EMF. Right? Voltage at zero time is 0 and voltage at t/4 is E0. So the voltage rises from 0 to E0. Almost straight line when it starts. Then at time t/2, the voltage again falls to 0. At time t/4, the voltage is at its maximum negative value. And at t, the voltage again falls to 0. This is the voltage. Write down E equals E0 sine omega t. Now draw current. At time 0, the current is at its maximum positive value. The current is at maximum positive value. Usually we draw current with a smaller peak value, but it is not necessary. These are the peak values of current: plus I0, minus I0. At time 0, the current is at its peak. At time 0, the current is at its peak. At time t/4, the current reduces to 0. So how it reduces? It is at its peak at time 0, then it reduces to 0 at t/4. At t/2, at time t/2, the current is negative, maximum negative. Here, the current is maximum negative at t/2. At 3t/4 time, At the instant 3t/4, the current reduces to 0. This is the current. And at time t, again the current reaches to its maximum value, I naught. This is what current. I equals I naught sine omega t plus pi by 2. Current leads the voltage by a phase angle pi by 2. This is phasor diagram represented as sine curve. अब हमें रोटेटिंग वेक्टर ड्रॉ करने हैं, इसी के साइड बाय साइड ड्रॉ करेंगे बिल्कुल. Extend these peak values up to your vector diagram. These are the peak values of current and voltage. E naught plus, E naught minus, I naught plus, I naught minus. Now take at any instant t. Here I take instant t. This is the time instant t, small t. To find the instantaneous EMF, EMF, not EMF. To find the instantaneous voltage and current, draw a perpendicular at time instant small t. This is the instantaneous value of voltage, not EMF. This is the instantaneous value of voltage. How much? You will write E. What is the instantaneous value of current? This is the instantaneous value of current. How much is it? I. Correct. Now take your compass. Up to E naught. Up to E naught. Draw an arc until it cuts the instantaneous voltage line. Clearly visible to you? Now it represents voltage vector. Okay. For instantaneous current, you have to extend. Okay. Take up to I naught here and draw an arc. until it intersect instantaneous current line. Now this is what? This is instantaneous current. It represents instantaneous voltage. नोट्स में थोड़ा सा और डायग्राम बना हुआ, उसे भी हम एक्सटेंड कर लेते हैं. एक्चुअली उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट तो नहीं है. Up to this point, what is this? It is E naught. Up to this instantaneous line, what is it? It is E. Up to this peak value of current, what is it? I naught. And up to this instantaneous current, up to this, what is it? It is I.